Hello and welcome back to the StartProto tutorial on operator interface. Today we're going to talk about how the operator interface gets the information it needs and then how it assists the operators and machinists in getting the job done. So we're familiar with the handguard assembly and how it is a couple make items that we then assemble into the handguard. We have a buy item on the bottom level here and then 3 make items on the top level. Each one of these make items has a set of operations, and those operations translate into tasks on the operator interface. If we go to the operator interface, it's right here underneath operator home, we can see all the things I need to do in one central location. We can see different tabs here sorting by order or by all the work in the shop or groups. So the saw group, the lathe group, the mill group, those groups are configurable so you can group work however you want. But I'm going to go ahead and look at my assigned work and see that the number one thing I need to do right now is a saw cut. So I'm going to go in there and read any information, instructions I need. I actually have a embed of the Fusion model here so I can see any metrics or dimensions I want to pull from that. And of course, just a simple PDF that's going to show us the drawings as well. If I want to start this job, I can actually hit the play button here, up the quantity I'm going to make, and hit start. This is actively me tracking what I'm doing, pulling that inventory and consuming it for the job. So we have inventory tracking along with progress tracking here. And then when I'm done with this operation, I actually hit stop and say how many I finished. I only finished 2, but then I got pulled off the job. That's absolutely fine. I just track the time I did get put in there and the stuff I did get done. And then you can see the whip pills here letting us know that there are now 2 that were added to the overall 10 to make 12 ready for turning here, and instructions for turning the actual part. So the operator interface is essentially just a spot where I can go track time on jobs, see what the most important job is, hit play, hit stop, track time, and hopefully get parts out the door. For more information, please reach out to us at support@startproto.com. I look forward to hearing any questions you might have, and I will see you next time. Thank you.